Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word parochial. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She had a parochial outlook on life, never venturing far from her small hometown. Parochial means narrow-minded or limited in perspective, typically associated with ideas or beliefs centered around one's local community or interests. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.